Stop trying to be motivated. It's the reason you're stuck. Every day you tell yourself, I'll start when I feel ready. I'll do it when I'm in the mood. But that feeling never lasts. Some days you feel unstoppable. Most days you feel nothing. And on those days, you do nothing. That's the trap. You build your life on motivation, something that disappears the moment things get hard. So you start, stop, start again, and wonder why nothing changes. Listen carefully. Successful people don't wake up motivated every day. They wake up tired, distracted, sometimes even lost, but they still show up because they don't rely on motivation, they rely on discipline. Discipline doesn't care how you feel. It doesn't wait for the perfect moment. It doesn't ask for energy or excitement. It just shows up every single day. Motivation is a spark. Discipline is the engine. Motivation gets you started. Discipline keeps you going. And if you only move when you feel good, you'll stay average forever. So stop chasing motivation. Start becoming someone who shows up, even when it's hard, even when it's boring, even when no one is watching. Because in the end, it's not motivation that builds your life, it's discipline.